हेलो गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो की टॉपिक है सोशल साइंस क्लास 10 का चैप्टर नंबर 1 कल्चरल हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया फुल चैप्टर सॉल्यूशंस। इस वीडियो में चैप्टर्स के सारे सॉल्यूशंस है। ये वीडियो का पार्ट 1 है। पार्ट 2 में बाकी लेफ्ट पार्ट हम सॉल्व करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन डिटेल। डिटेल का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है गिव डिटेल्स ऑफ आर्यन एंड द्रविडियन रेस। तो इसका आंसर्स होगा the Dravidians. They originally belonged to India. They were the direct descendants of Stone Age civilization. They created the Mohenjo-daro culture. It is said that the tribe that came to India from the north was later called Dravidian. They had their own language and culture, and they gave the India concept of mother as goddess and father as god. As a result, the thought of Parvati and Shiva as mother and father developed in India. They gave the tradition of worshipping nature and animals. They also gave the tradition of worshipping. So this is all about Dravidians. Let's talk about Aryans. Aryans, the Nordic. Aryans created the Aryan civilization in India. The Hindus were called Aryans in the ancient time. The northwest area where they were densely populated and first found called Aryavatra. 7 rivers used to flow in Aryavatra region, and so that region was also known as Sapt Sindhu. During post-Vedic period, the Aryavatra region extended up to Mithila, Bihar in east and up to Vindhyachal in south. The Aryans were the most developed of all the tribes. The vast region where the Aryans were spread was known as several names such as Brahmbhumi, Bharatkhand, Bharatvarsha, etc., owing the name of King Aryabharat or Bharat tribe. Aryans were nature lovers. They loved and worshipped trees, river, mountains, sun, wind, and rain. That was first question. Let's talk about second question. Explain the meaning of culture and give its detail. Culture means a way of life. It is made of changes that occur in public life, social rules and regulation of different societies. It can be said that culture is total of habits, values, customs, traditions and ideals, leading human to the highest level. This is the answer of second question. Let's turn on third question. Question number third is cultural heritage of Gujarat. Explain its details. That answer was places having archaeological importance. 1. Lothal, 2nd Rangpur, 3rd Dholavira, 4. Rojari. Then next is places having pilgrimage. First, Victory Tower of Vadnagar. Second, stone inscription of King Ashoka. Third, Sun Temple of Modhera. 4. Gate of Champaner. 5. Chulta Minara. 6th, Sidi Sayadni Jali. And next is places having religious importance are first Dwarkadhish temple of Dwarka, second Sharda Peeth of Jagat Guru Shankaracharya, third Somnath temple, one of 12 Jyotirling, 4 Ambaji in North Gujarat, and fifth is Samlaji. And next is places having tourism. First is Polo Forest, second is Kite Festival, third is Kankaria Lake, and fourth is Tanareri Festival, and fifth is Ranotsav in Kutch. And next is Jain and Buddhist religion prevailed in India. Jain and Buddhist caves also seen in various places of Gujarat, that are Vadnagar, Tarang, Khambaliya, Samlaji, Dhank, Jagadia, etc. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के सारे क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे फिनिश हो गए। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आंसर द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट वाइज। इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है एक्सप्लेन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल ड्यूटीज़ फॉर प्रिजर्वेशन एंड कंजर्वेशन ऑफ हेरिटेज। इसका आंसर है फॉलोइंग ड्यूटीज़ आर to understand the importance of harmonious culture, prosperity and to preserve it. Second point, maintain the forest, tanks, rivers, ponds and the wild animals and the birds along with maintaining the natural environment and to show compassion for all living creatures. And इसका next point है to protection of public property and giving up violence are also included it. ये था क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। अब चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पे। Explain the meaning of natural heritage and state what does it comprise of. Point number 1, natural heritage refers to the sum total of the elements of biodiversity including flora and fauna, ecosystem and geological system. Point 2, India's natural heritage is unique and varied. It includes features like mountains, forests, deserts, rivers, streams, oceans, trees, plants, creepers, flowers, leaves, insects and varied landscape. वाइड रेंज ऑफ मिनरल्स, वेजिटेशन, प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स। एंड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ये है, India's natural heritage provides food, water, fresh air, and dwelling to cater our all needs. Since ancient time, we treat nature with respect and faith, and also worship it. Next point is story of Panchatantra and Jataka tales of Buddhist religion are live example of our close relation with nature. In next point, our ancestors have bestowed us with classical and folk music and several ragas based on prahar. प्रहार मीन्स पीरियड ऑफ अ डे। सो ये था क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 की बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पे। राइट अबाउट कल्चर हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया। इंडिया इज गिफ्टेड टू द वर्ल्ड अ डाइवर्स एंड रिच हेरिटेज। कल्चरल हेरिटेज इज अ मैन मेड हेरिटेज। वॉट एवर इज क्रिएटेड और रिसीव्ड बाय ह्यूमन with his tact, wisdom, art, and skill is called cultural heritage, starting from Aryans, Kshatriya, Kushans, Huns, Persians, Turks, Arabs, Britishers, etc. सो गाइस ये क्वेश्चन 1 एंड क्वेश्चन 2 के पार्ट 1 में थे। अब लेफ्ट जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 और MCQ है वो पार्ट 2 में बात करेंगे। सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक। थैंक यू गाइस।